Okay, friends, we are ready for math.
Yeah.
Are you ready for math?
Yeah.
How do you show me you're ready for math? Got some friends have some math materials out. Got some friends putting their books away, setting them to the side. Need to find a spot for a coat, sir? For Go Noodle? Are we talking about Go Noodle right now? No, we're not talking about Go Noodle right now. We're talking about math. Ready?
Not ready.
Today, we're talking about patterns. Do you know what a pattern is?
Yes.
Who can tell me what a pattern is? I've got some friends doing some things with their pencils right now that I do not think we need to have happening. So, pencils need to be to our side. We should not have them out right now. You do not need to have your reading books out right now. Manisic, what's a pattern?
They go back and forth.
Okay, what goes back and forth?
Like a square and a circle.
Okay, like a square and a circle. They go back and forth, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. Lucy, what else?
A pattern repeats.
Okay, patterns repeat themselves. Paul,
A pattern has two or more letters.
okay, two or more things that are,
Different
okay, they may be different colors, they may be different objects. We're gonna make a pattern right now. I need number one. Who's number one?
Name.
Lane, come stand right here. Okay, is number two a girl?
No. A boy.
Is number three a girl?
No.
Is number four a girl?
No.
We hardly have any girls in this classroom, don't we? Oh, Maya's sitting really quietly doing what she needs to be doing. Come on up, Maya.
Boy.
I think Eli's figured out what I'm trying to do over there.
Yeah.
Hayden, Lucy. Awesome, Paul. Addie. Can I change my pattern?
Yeah.
Okay. What's my pattern right now?
Boy, girl, boy, girl.
Boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl.
Boy, girl, boys.
How can we change our pattern? No, you're the pattern people, so I don't want you to talk. I want you to just stand there. You're the pattern people. Pattern people don't have voices. Okay? Alright. Julian, what's one way I can change my pattern?
Girl, boy, girl, boy.
Okay, I could just have you switch spots, okay? Switch spots with your next person. Switch spots. Beautiful. Okay. Stand up for me, please. Ashton, can you come stand here? Kiliana, would you come stand here? I need to add two more people to do the pattern that I would like to do.
No, it's boy.
You're not in the right pattern. Awesome. Way to solve your problem. Christian, what do you think? You're a pattern person. You don't talk.
Boy, girl, girl.
Boy, girl, girl.
Boy,
Kind of the pattern I'm thinking of.
girl. Girl, boy, boy.
Dayton,
Boy, boy, girl, girl, boy, boy, girl.
let's try that one. Boy, boy, girl, girl, boy, boy, girl, girl. Let's try that one.
Girl, boy.
Let's try that one. Ashton,
You go.
find your spot. Okay. Pattern people don't talk. There we go. Boy, boy, girl, girl, boy, boy, girl, girl. Now, can I do my pattern backwards?
Yeah.
Girl, girl, boy, boy, girl, girl, boy, boy. Patterns come in all shapes and sizes, don't they?
Boy, boy, girl, boy.
Any
boy,
questions
girl.
about what a pattern is? Put your hands down.
And animals.
Give me a thumbs down if you have a question. question about what a pattern is? Give me thumbs in the middle if you're pretty good to go, you're ready to practice our stuff today. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you're like, I'm a pattern rock star. I'm ready. Okay, most of us are pattern rock stars. We're ready to go. Thank you, pattern people. Let's give them 3 claps. Pattern people, head back to your desks.
Oh, is that pattern? You want pattern people?
Brandon. Brandon was sitting quietly at his desk. He wasn't messing around with stuff. He was doing what Mrs. Osborne expects him to do. So Brandon's going to help me. Okay. Over here, we have pairs. These two, these two, these two. Maya's going to work with Ruby. Rhett and Cody are going to work. So Rhett, you're going to turn around and work with Cody. Okay, Lane and Dayton are going to work. They need a bag of these. Okay? So, grab a couple bags, head on over. You may move your desk back, Paul. See if we can handle it. If I need to move you again, honey, it becomes permanent for the rest of the day. I don't want you to open these yet, right? I haven't given a direction for us to open these and work with these. Amanda, sit. Yeah, you and Eli work together. Cameron! Actually, why don't I do this for you two boys back here so I don't have to move desks around? Cool. Okay. We can work behind, okay? I'd like to be able to see what you're doing, so I'd prefer if you guys work back there, okay? If we need to move our table, let me know, and I'm more than happy to do that for you. And Brandon, would you like to work on your own? Or would you like to join a group?
Or do you want to join?
Okay, I'm going to allow you to join Cody and Rhett. If we can't handle it, then we're going to need to start out.
Wait, no, that was given to me.
I'm going to have you oh, friends, I didn't ask you to dump them out. Didn't ask you to do anything like that. Get them put back in the bag so we can continue. If we can't follow directions, friends, we don't get to we don't get to work with these materials. You have to do everything based on what I do on the board. I don't need to see that face. I need to see a yes, I'm getting done what I need to be getting done. We'll get done what we need to in just a minute, okay? Some of them don't shut. Some of the sliders don't shut. That's okay. I know you didn't open it. I know that you were following directions. I'm going to put a pattern up here on the board. You're going to think in your brains. Does that mean we touch? Our manipulatives. Okay? Set them up where we're not going to touch. Leave our manipulatives in a place where they are not going to be a distraction. Madeline. Change my mind. Who was that? Come here. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. You and your partner are going to figure out how to use this pattern, how to make this pattern using the manipulatives, the shapes that you've been given. Okay? If I'm you, I'm doing shape, different shapes, right? Try to use ones that are more different than similar. Okay? There is a diamond that could also look similar to a square in here. I probably wouldn't use a square and a diamond. Okay? Make them look different so that you don't get yourself confused. Now you may touch your bags. Okay, you may dump out your manipulatives, your shapes. together, or are we letting just one friend is making all the decisions for us? Julian, are you? Yep, that's different. Are you being able to take part in this, or is one friend doing all the work? You got to pick one of the colors? Just one? Okay. Is that okay as a decision together? If you feel like you're not getting to do things and I have one friend who's doing all of the touching, okay, all of the work, let me know and we'll get you your own set, okay? All right, make yours look like the one up on the board. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. I'm going to give you 10. If you're done, take your hands away from what you've got. It's going to let me know that you are ready to go. 5, 3, 2, 1. Give yourself a pat on the back. Turn to your partner and say, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to give you another pattern. You ready? Look at your pattern. One minute. You use one where you know you're going to have it. No, just make sure. Everybody freeze! I have some friends coming across a problem. I don't have enough A's. Do you need to change your A? Might need to change your A to a shape that you know you have enough of. Okay? 10 seconds. I'll go ahead and give us 30 more. For our stop. Change your color.
We have a lot of these.
So we have 5 of these. Okay, so one short of these. 5. So one short. Let me. I'll get you an extra red here, and then you have 6. Does anybody only have 5 of one shape?
No, I have 4 of one shape.
But here you have perfect. You have plenty. You have plenty. Change your shape to go with what you have. Okay? If you don't have enough A's, find a different shape. Okay? You have 6 right here. You have plenty. That's not what you're going to use for A. You need to change a shape and use where you have 6 or more. Okay, I'm going to give some friends 5 more seconds to get it figured out because we were confused about what we were supposed to do with our shapes.
I think you've got one of those yellow things on
Where's your pattern? I don't see a pattern. I see Ashton making piles. I don't see patterns.
I did that first place.
4, 3, 1. All right, I'm coming around and giving the eyeball. Why do we have shapes on the floor?
Oh, I'll get that. Too late, too late.
I think we understand patterns and how to make patterns. Okay, here's what I need you to do. I need you to take your little shapes, move them to probably the middle spot between you. If you have two desks, put them in the middle. Okay, probably gonna need to set them up on the book or something. You're going to need space for your student activity book. Okay? Get them in a spot. You've got about 10 seconds to get them in a place where they're not going to be a distraction. We're going to use them for the first couple of these that we do. Would you like us to work back there so you can work with the pieces? Then that's fine. Yep, get your student activity book. Page 187. I should see shapes in piles. I should see friends opening student activity books. What page are we opening our student activity books to? 187. 187. Oh, and that's cold air. Are you hot? You guys just got back from recess, so. I should see pencils where in your book? And the spine of your book. Don't need to have names because it's your book. So we shouldn't have done anything to our paper. Manasic, Rockstar. But a few friends over here being some rock stars showing me exactly what I need to see. Our desk, or are we going to be able to handle it? Okay, so the last option. Last time you have the choice. What is 2? Water. We just got a drink when we got in from recess. Now is not an appropriate time. Page 187. Eli, if you need a pencil, go to the sharpened pencil spot. Thank you, thank you. Get where you need to be, sir. Okay. We're going to talk about the patterns.
Yay! Hi, Mrs. Riley. Yay.
Mrs. Riley, we've got a couple groups back here.
Okay.
That as we get going and doing this, we might need some help making sure that we're using the materials we need to be
Sure.
using. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So it's telling us to say the pattern aloud, and then we're going to draw the next shape. You have shapes for this. Here's what I'm going to allow you to do. You and your partner are going to build these patterns. Okay? I think touching them and moving them, being able to see them, helps us understand what we're doing and being able to do it a little bit easier. So we're going to build this, and then I'm going to ask you to draw the shape. Okay? Still going to do what we're being asked to do, but we're throwing in this other step to help us physically see and physically touch what we're doing. All right. Go ahead. You've got, what's that shape?
You want to come over here, sweetie?
All right, and a triangle and a square. Go ahead and put them in order.
What is this?
I love my friends that are working together, helping each other. We'll worry about that one when the time comes. We're worrying about
And then,
that
so
one
we
right now.
what would come after this? Okay, I'm going to move this guy. What would come after him? So for right here. What's this beginning part of it?
That's not what this looks like. vertically.
Alrighty, perfect. You see how that looks?
Once you have created the pattern with your shapes, draw what the next shape is going to be. Physically take your shape, put it next in your pattern, not on there. You've created a pattern on your desks. Physically take the shape and set it down so you know what the shape you are drawing is. Some of us are a little confused. Oh, what comes next? Pick up the shape and put it on there. Not on our papers, not what you've been asked to do. Okay? Dun, dun, dun. Done. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know. Count how many sides it has and see what you can do from there. Give it your best shot. Thanks for trying to help a friend out, but it doesn't do our friend any good if we're doing the work for him, okay? Go.
But it looks like more right here. This is building.
How many sides does it have? How many sides does it need to have? I'm going to give you 5. We'll worry about that in just a minute. You're working ahead. Does Mrs. Osborne like it when friends work ahead and don't stay with what's happening here? Nope, because then you get confused and we don't know what's going on. 3, 2, 1. Okay, what's this? Why did you trace your shape? You were supposed to draw your shape, not trace your shape. Try it again.
Okay, that's not.
Have a seat and stop moving desk. Now you're moving Ashton. There's, what are you doing? Did we get these? Don't mess around with them. And stop. You're my friend. You now have a good day. Turn around really fast. And I know how well. Okay. And I know how well. What I'm seeing today is another. She's saying turn it around. Because when I say a positive, I love how you had to find one. So maybe Brett can go close to this one. Right. Yeah, but you know what he'll need to do? He'll need to turn your books.
That's way too loud. That's way too loud.
Guess what, friends?
Yeah.
As long as your shape has 6 sides, I don't care what it looks like. If you drew a shape that has 6 sides, you were successful and you did what you needed. I don't care that it doesn't look exactly like that one. I don't care that the sides are not all the same length. You did your best, you gave it your best shot. That's what I care about, is your best effort. Okay, number 1's done. Congratulations. Mrs. Riley and I were walking around. Okay, we've seen what we need to see. I think you know number 1. Let's move on to number 2. Okay, do number 2. If you're a friend who needs extra red pieces, raise your hand. Red or blue?
We need orange.
How many blues? Perfect. What do you need for it? Reds?
Okay.
How many more blues? Okay. Okay, I've got a couple blues here. How many blues? 7 blues? That's not how many more you need. How many more do you need? Like 2? What do you guys need? 3. 2 or 3 blues? Oh no! Did I give you enough blues? Awesome. Perfect number. There we go. making your, no, you need that. Get making your pattern. Start drawing in the next shape. When you are done with number 2, raise your hand. Either Mrs. Riley or myself will come check it. You're welcome to move on to number 3 after we've checked. Good job.
It's kind of a triangle on the top and a triangle on the bottom. Oh my goodness.
You're gonna move on to the next one. Way to give some effort. Love the effort, buddy. Fantastic. Okay, you two are good. Ready to move on.
I am so, can I tell you something right back?
Cameron, you need to be on this too. I am so proud of the way you two are working together. I was a little worried about this parent, but you guys are doing a fantastic job working together, helping each other, and not making each other do everything or just messing around back there. You're actually doing what you're supposed to do. Rock stars. Awesome. Right, I love the attention you're giving. Usually I gotta pull you along. Great job giving the effort, buddy. Thank you, friends, for borrowing from neighbors. Doing what we need to be doing. Do you guys get to go ahead for the next one? Okay, good. Who still needs to go ahead? What's the first one? Yeah. Get moving on to number 3. When you're ready for number 3 to be checked. Now, okay. 2. Okay, do number 3. Once you're done with number 2 and you got the go ahead, do number 3. When you're done with your shapes, friends, perfect, yep. You can start working on 4, 5, and 6.
All right.
Your hand's kind of red. You need to wash your hands with water, maybe. Is that a shot? Okay, work on number 3. Start building number 3. We're not tracing our shape. We're giving our best effort drawing our shape. Okay, ladies. Put your shapes away now that you've got them. Okay? Put your shapes away. Work on 4, 5, 6. Okay, you guys are good. Put your shapes away. Work on 4, 5, 6. Put your shapes away. Work on 4, 5, 6. You may put your shapes away. That one drawn, hit 'em. And then put your shapes away and you can work on 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Put your shapes away. Work on 4, 5, 6. No trace. Yep, just give best effort on it, honey. I appreciate you wanting to have it perfect, sweetie, but let's just give our best effort and we'll go. Okay. Now that you're done drawing, go ahead and get your shapes put away. Do 4, 5, 6. Yes, 2, 4. Our numbers can be very small. Adding how many? Okay, so then start at 12. Now that's your number. Make sure you're doing your rule right here, your +4 or your +2. Okay? Alright, you two are good to go. Put your shapes away. Work on 4, 5, 6. Put your shapes away. Work on 4, 5, 6. You were supposed to get the go ahead before we moved on. So put your shapes away. Do 4, 5, 6.
How do you do that?
Awesome.
What we're doing is we're going to say this out, right? Go
Yeah.
rule and write them.
Yep, I'm fine with that. Fine with that. They were kind of weird numbers anyway, so I think we needed to combine it anyways.
12. You know what would come next? Do you know what would come next?
We're working on math right now.
Why do you say 14?
Oh, 2.
Aren't we adding 2? So that's your book. Right, that's it. It's your book. And you're going to write 2. And then what would the next one be? Yep. So you're going to write.
Still working like a charm. I love it. Still working like a charm. I love it. Okay. When you are done with 4, 5, 6, the number patterns, correct? I need you to do at least 4 and 5. Okay, that's gonna let me know you remember what we did yesterday and the day before. Do 4 and 5, and then you can move on to the next page, 188. I need you to do number 1 and number 3. 1, 3. I'm not making you do the crayon one.
Oh, I just.
Okay. Number 4. Hey friends, number 4 is special. It says make an AABB shape pattern. We are not using our shapes. We're going to draw it. Mrs. Osborne, can I use my shapes to get a pattern in my brain? Yes, you may. You may use the shapes to get a pattern in your brain. You are not doing this side with your partner. This side is on your own. Okay? This side is on your own. So everyone should have a different pattern. AAB shape pattern for number 4. I circled it because it's special. Then I would like you to do number 5 and 6.
Yay.
1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's going to let me know you remember what we did. I can see it, and it's not overwhelming because we don't have 50 problems to do.
So we're not doing.
Is number 2 on my list? Nope. So we're doing page 188 right now. This is on your own. I'm going to give us about 5-10 minutes to do this, maybe 15 if we need it. And then we're going to be working on our assignment. You have homework. We get a homework page every day.
Oh yeah.
We're doing review tomorrow because we're going to have a unit assessment coming up next week. Okay? Review tomorrow, so we need to make sure we've got patterns down. So, finish page 188. Numbers 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When you're done with that, I would like you to read to self until everybody's ready, and then I'll give directions for homework. It gives us an AAB pattern, so do it in AAB. Now, when we're drawing our own pattern, perfect. I've got friends who are doing it over and over and over and over. Give me at least 3 of your AAB, AAB, AAB. AAB, AAB, AAB. That's what the directions say. That's what I'm expecting you to do. AAB, AAB, AAB.